Hey guys, Mr. Wiggins. I'm going to go over with you your week 5 learning opportunities. We're going to be meeting May 26th and May 28th of this next upcoming week. Um, all your learning opportunities are going to be located within your green folder within the marking period 4 learning opportunities. If I back out of here, you can see where the marking period 4 learning opportunities are. So if you click on the week 5 folder, just like the previous weeks, you'll have the 4 resources available to you. You'll have week 5, class snapshot, uh, also to your screencast, which is currently what we're doing or going over. And then you'll also have your Pixar in a Box account class sign up instructions. If you haven't already done so, make sure that you're going through that and following that closely. Um, there are 2 different instructions. If you already have a Khan Academy account, there's one instruction for that. If you're new to Khan Academy, there's also another instruction for that. Uh, Below that is the link for the optional Zoom meeting that we'll have on Tuesday. So for 7th grade, it is 8 to 8:30. 6th grade, it is 1:45 to 2:15. And 8th grade is going to be 9:30 to 10. So the 2 learning opportunities that we have this week are Pixar Color Contrast, which is going to be on the 26th, and Pixar Color Correction, which is going to be on the 28th. So let's go ahead and open up. Here, I'll get rid of that. We'll open up the 26th assignment and the 28th assignment. So both of these are going to open up. You guys are going to have the assignment button right here, as well as the My Document button, which will be to the right of it. I don't have that because I'm in teacher mode. So I'm going to go ahead and open up both of the assignments so you can see what they look like. So the assignment that we're going to have on Tuesday the 26th, Pixar Color Contrast, you guys are going to watch the Pixar, or well, first log into your Khan Academy account and access your Pixar in a Box class. And then you're going to watch the Color Contrast video. This is about a 3-minute long video that will explain why color contrast is so important when Pixar tries to make scenes pop out and try to promote the feel that they want for that scene. So after you guys do that, there is an exercise that you're going to complete within Khan Academy. Make sure you're doing that, and this is where if you haven't joined Khan Academy and the Pixar in a Box class by using the join code, this is where you need to do that because I'll be grading it from within Khan Academy. So that's all you guys are doing for this assignment. The next learning opportunity that you're going to be working on is Pixar Color Correction. This is where you guys, you're going to start out the same way, log into Khan Academy, go to your Pixar in a Box class. We're going to watch the color correction video first, and this is going to explain why there's some things that Pixar would want to only change one item in the scene, or if they wanted to change the whole entire scene. And they'll go over, why they would want to do that, as well as how you're going to be able to do that. Now, the cool thing with this is when you guys get done with the video, you guys are going to then go into an exercise called Color Correction Suite. And this is going to give you a dashboard that's similar to what Pixar goes in and changes the color hue. There's going to be 3 scenes that I need you to at least change one thing in the image with the Color Correction Suite. What I want you to do is take a screenshot of it. There's directions here linked of how to screenshot no matter what device you're on. I want you to insert that screenshot right here, right below. And then I want you to tell me how did you go about changing that screenshot. So just give me a brief description of how you did that. And then also too, I want you to describe how your changes have made that scene feel different. Hattie says hi. So just kind of describe what that looks like and what type of feel you went for with that scene. And then from there, you're going to basically do the same thing for each scene. So scene 1, 2, and 3, same steps. Make sure you're doing that and submit this learn opportunity through Schoology. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you can definitely shoot me an email. Email is jwiggins@wssd.k12.pa.us. All right. Hope you guys have or if you're watching this on Friday, I hope you have a nice Memorial Day. If you're watching this after Memorial Day weekend, I hope you had a nice weekend with your family. All right. See you guys.